Welcome to our journal. In this video, we will clearly guide you through each step of the article submission process. Go to Google and type Baghdad Science Journal. Click on the link, then go to the journal home and select Author Guidelines. Kindly read the author guidelines available on our website and ensure that all required files are prepared before beginning the submission process. Step 1. Go to the journal's website by searching for it on Google, then click on the link. Click the button labeled Journal Home. You'll see a dark green button labeled Submit Article. Click on it. As you can see, this window requires you to log in by entering your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click the Send Login Details option. An email will be sent to you to reset your password. If you don't have an account, you can register by clicking on the Register Now option. Step 2. After successfully logging in, this window will appear. Click on Submit a new manuscript. Now, in this window, you will be asked to select the type of article. Click on the drop-down menu to view the available types: article, original study, invited review, special issue article. I will choose article and then click Proceed. In this next window, you will be asked to upload the required files. You should have these files prepared in advance. After reviewing the author guidelines, before completing the file upload process, please make sure you have prepared the following. Upload the required files marked in red. Next, return to the drop-down menu and select Upload Manuscript. Once a file is uploaded successfully, it will be highlighted in green. Then, upload the cover letter. After that, upload the author contribution form. Finally, upload the copyright agreement form. Click Proceed. In this step, you are asked to provide general information. Select your country from the list. You will find it there. For example, I selected my country, Iraq. Next, move on to the section and category. Choose the category to which your manuscript belongs. For example, I chose biology. Classifications. Select 5 classifications that relate to your manuscript by clicking the Add Classifications button. Note that the selection process is done by choosing 5 classifications, then clicking Add. After adding them, click Submit. For example, I have selected the classifications. Add the ones that best match your manuscript. Click Proceed. Here you can suggest a reviewer by clicking on Add Suggested Reviewer. Please note that this step is optional. A new window will appear. Please fill in the required information, starting with the first name, last name, institution, all fields marked with a star, asterisk, are required and must be filled in. Once you have completed the form, click Save to confirm your entry. Before explaining this step, I'd like to show you what should be included in your manuscript to answer the question accurately. Note, this is a pilot manuscript intended to demonstrate the required components. It includes the following sections: title, abstract, keywords, introduction, materials and methods, results and discussion, conclusion, acknowledgments, optional, author's declaration, funding statement, Data availability. References. Please pay special attention to the author's declaration section. The following items must be addressed. Conflict of interest. You will be asked to include a conflict of interest statement. If you include one, please select Yes. Funding statement. You will be asked to include a funding statement. If you include one, please select Yes. For the author contributions section, you will be asked whether you have attached it. Please note that it should not be included in the manuscript itself, as it must be uploaded as a separate document. Ethical approval. Very important. If you used human samples, please include the phrase, "Authors signed on ethical considerations approval." Also, make sure to sign the consent form and upload it as a separate file. Once uploaded, answer yes to confirm. If you did not use animal samples, add the statement, "No animal studies are present in the manuscript." Please click on the word "Here" to open and review the submission agreement. Once you have read it, check the "I accept" box below to indicate your agreement with the terms. Animal welfare. If your manuscript includes animal samples, please add the following statement to your manuscript. The author has signed an animal welfare statement. In addition, make sure to sign the animal welfare form. If your study involves only animal samples and no human participants, please also include the following statement. No human studies are present in the manuscript. Click Yes if you have included the required statements. Please note that all of these statements must be added to your manuscript before uploading your files. If you have not included them yet, please revise your manuscript and add them accordingly. If your study did not involve collecting new data or analyzing existing datasets, please include the following statement in your manuscript. No datasets were generated or analyzed during the current study. If your study used data that is not publicly available, please include this statement instead. The data that support the findings of this study are available from the corresponding author. Then click Yes. In this tab, you can write any comments or important notes you'd like us to take into consideration. Then, click Proceed to continue. Final step, manuscript data. This step is essential for our journal's database, so please ensure all required fields are accurately completed. Manuscript title. Begin by entering the title of your manuscript. Note, the title is limited to 24 words. Abstract. The abstract should not exceed 250 words. Keywords. Provide 5 keywords relevant to your manuscript. Authors. Enter the names of all authors. Make sure all required information for each author is completed. To add another author, click on Add another author. Note, if a red triangle appears, it indicates that some required information for an author is missing. Here, I've written an example to demonstrate how to add author names and where the red triangle appears. Funding. If your research is funded by a university, company, or other institution, please provide the award number and grant recipient. Once all information is entered, click Save to proceed. If you prefer to submit later, you can click Save and Submit Later. This option allows you to edit your submission at any time before final submission, in case you're not yet ready to proceed. If you're ready, please click Build PDF to generate the file for approval. Final step, please wait a few moments until the action link appears. Once it does, click View Submission. This will download a file containing your manuscript. Review the file carefully. If everything is correct, click I accept, then proceed to click Approve Submission to complete the process. Thanks for watching.